Learn with Issue.
Hello, friends! Welcome to Guess the Shadow. Can you guess them all today? Let's play and find out together.
What has big ears and a long trunk?
Did you guess?
It's an elephant. Trumpet, trumpet.
Wow, this one has spikes and a tail. What could it be? It's a dinosaur. Roar!
Beep, beep. I see wheels.
What is it?
Yes, it's a car.
This looks round with a little leaf. Do you know it? It's an apple. Crunch, crunch.
Flappy wings and a beak. What do you think? It's a chicken. Long and curvy. What is this shape?
Any ideas?
It's a banana. Yum, yum.
Look, wings in the sky. Can you guess? It's an airplane. Whoosh!
I see floppy ears and a wagging tail.
What could it be?
It's a dog. Woof, woof.
This one shines in the sky.
Can you guess?
It's a star. Twinkle, twinkle.
Wow,
This shadow has a long neck.
What could it be?
It's a giraffe. Munch, munch.
yay! You guessed all the shadows. You are super smart and amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.